If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Datadog with the ticker symbol DDOG. This was a viewer's request and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart, and it looks like we've been selling off since it made a high around 197 back in November of 2021. Let's see the percentage drop thus far. It looks like DDOG dropped 58%, and currently we're trading around a 47% drop. So what does it look like we're doing? Well, it looks like we're going down. It looks like we're trending down. Prices are making lower lows, lower highs, and I can connect that swings with the channel. So it looks like this is the angle that prices are moving inside of. It's kind of like a wide channel, so it takes a while for these corrections to play out, but eventually it looks like it leads to lower prices until this pattern is broken, or it bounces from a support level that's very strong that reverses prices. So there's a couple of ways the trend can be stopped. So let's take a look at this. It looks like since we had a double bottom right around this $82 level, prices are reversing, and also you can see that we bounced from the support side of the channel, so there's a good possibility it should go to the opposite side of the channel. We had a double bottom, we had a bounce from the support side of the channel, and you can see that there was this channel right here working lower, and then prices broke this pattern. See, this is a perfect fitting channel. A lot of price bars are stuck inside of it, and then we had a break of the pattern. We can see that we still went down to retest the lows. So we had a double bottom, and then it reversed prices. So since we are reversing to the top side, we can get a measured move up. This is the first leg. This is the second leg. The target is right around the 117 level, but I think we can pull back a little bit further, possibly to the previous breakout point at the 120 level. So that's what I'm expecting DDOG to go to, somewhere around here, maybe the 120, 130 level. But even then, that will be the first break of the pattern, so I'll be expecting a retest of the lows or even exceeding it. So that's all I see on the daily chart. It looks like we're in the pullback phase. So I'm looking for the area on the chart that can reverse prices back down, because once we come up to these areas, it's going to be resistance, so it could reverse prices back down. So first is that 120 level, and if it breaks it, then I think we can reach probably the 128, 130 level, and then we could probably see another crash down to lows. So that's what I see on the daily chart. So we can go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. For this stock not to reach the 2020 price levels is pretty impressive. So it looks like we've been selling off, but not that much as other stocks, and stocks that are even larger. So you can see that we have this downtrend channel in play, still no break outside of this pattern, so there's no signs of weakness. Looks like we're still trending lower. Like I said before, I think this time we might get a pullback or a breakout on this side of the channel, which can probably lead to a potential bottom in the future, because that would show signs of weakness. So once we get that break, I'm just expecting that we don't have to get the break. We can get just rejected from the opposite side of the channel and then continue lower. But I'm expecting the break this time, because eventually it's going to do it. So I think now is a good time. I think we're going to pull back to that 120 level or the 125, maybe even the 130. Somewhere between the 120 and 130 level is where I'm expecting this pullback to go to. Then from there, I'm expecting continuation of the downtrend all the way to the prior strong support at the $75 level. You can see that this $75 level was acting as a very strong support in the past, which led to that massive rally. So it looks like we're going to come back right to it and then see what happens. So they're very close to it already. They reached the 81.50 level, but just a little bit lower. I'm expecting a nice bounce. So If we don't bounce from that $75 level and we break it, it's a very quick, easy drop back down to 48 or even 35. So hopefully you get a bounce from that $75 level, but if you don't, and you see that prices are breaking the 60s and the 50s, we're going back down to the 40s and the 30s. So that's everything I see on the daily and weekly charts. Looks like it's a downtrend. If we do get a break of the pattern, we could find some type of support at the $75 level, which can reverse prices. If we don't find any support there, we're probably going to break it and then continue lower. It just all depends on if we get a break of the channel first. If we stay inside this channel to the $75 level, that's not a good sign, because that shows me that we have not seen any signs of weakness and the price wants to continue lower. But if we do get a break, I think the trend can slow down around these around the $75 level. So that's everything I see for DDOG. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.